Hello, welcome to the first video I've made for a while. Just getting off a couple of months now. Been a bit busy working on a few bits and pieces. Today I thought we'd look at this weird sound generator, from Outer Space one, and this little filter box I made. Low pass, high pass. I thought I would play about with them and look at them, and there's a couple of bits and pieces I've been kicking about with. I thought I'd look at them maybe as well. So yeah, stay watching, we'll get through the introduction bit and then we'll crack on and make some noise. Cheers. Okay, thank you for sitting through that. I thought first of all we'll have a look at this. It's an old tissue box. I found it in a charity shop. I thought it was a pretty cool design. I do like it. And I put one of the music from Outer Space weird sound generators inside. And I will link to the schematic, the site. It's got the basic schematic and the strip board layout that I've stolen basically for this. It's not 100% working yet, unfortunately. There's a few little bits and pieces to play about with. But yeah, I thought if we fire it up, it's just going through the usual, the Bose Soundlink Mini. It's a great little speaker. So if we fire it up, we've got a little blinky eye, you've got to do that. And then I accidentally put a mute button in. Now I assume you can hear that. Weird popping. So this here is the filter. You can turn some other bits and pieces. I set everything to low. Let's see what happens. Guys, that's everything apart from the filter. Let's turn the filter down as well. Everything down to its lowest level. And both of these extra little circuits are off. We put them on. See, there's no real change with them at the minute. So I'm just going to turn the filter up. I find it best to be here. You get a little. I don't know if you can hear that popping noise. That's new. Now, what each of these does is still a bit of a mystery. I know this controls an oscillation. This is tied to that somehow, and this one, for whatever reason, isn't working. I've taken it apart countless times. Now if you've seen any other videos where I've made these on the breadboard, it's still got that amazing sound. This crackling is a new addition. I'll put in, mute it for a minute, I'll put in a clip of when I was using it yesterday. It seems to be working a bit better than this, but we'll crack on. So, we've got these two weird filters, sorry, extra circuits. I assume you can hear it, but I'm sorry, I'm just going to mess with everybody's volume now. So you can hear this controls the frequency, and that seems to do something to the pitch. Again, this one, similar effect to that. Just best to tidy it up a bit, clean up some of that crackle. So anyway, I'll tell you what I'll do. Let's mute that. I'll put in 30 seconds or so of that when it was working nicely yesterday, but that's going through this filter. So I'll put that in now, and then we'll have a listen to this. We'll have a look at this filter, we'll have a listen to this through the filter, and I've got a little something to look at as well. Yeah, I think that's the plan. Right, I'll see you on the other side. Voiceover Android here. The volume on the next section is a bit quiet with a screech at some point. There's a warning, I'm sorry. So, you got through that, well done. If you just skipped this, I don't blame you. So this, there, I assume it's going to be a bit in the other way around. It's just a little filter box. It's a high pass, so a low pass and a high pass filter, which you can choose between a little input, a little output, a little hole I drilled by mistake, and obviously branding, isn't it? I can't open it, it's far too tightly packed together, but it's a really, really simple little passive filter. So I thought I'd just have a listen to that and see the effect that that has on this, now that we can compare. In fact, we could do a direct comparison between them now, couldn't we? So, let's see, are we in frame? Filter box, with sound generator, switch that on. That doesn't need switching on, it's just passive, no power going to it. Mute, nothing happens. It's a little bit, what's the word? Picky. It doesn't help that I've made this lead, so it's not the greatest in the world. So we turn them both right down. I'll just mute it now. I will warn you, it does sometimes squeal. So if you've got headphones on or you're listening reasonably loud, just be prepared. There could be an unexpected high-pitched squeal. So fair warning. In fact, when I watch this back, I will put a little warning on before it happens, assuming it happens. Hopefully it won't. So this is without the filters filtering, they're set to their lowest. So if we operate, this is the low pass. Just turn that off a bit. So I'm not touching this. You can really hear, it's almost got like a vinyl sort of quality to it. And then the high pass, and that shuts it off completely. And with the other filters, you can just set it, you get a nice set in between them. And you can just make some interesting noises. Should we let more low sound through? Yeah. Just turn that right up. So that's switched over to the low pass. So we turn this low pass filter right up. You can hear. I know it's probably just getting quieter for you, but I can hear a definite difference. So this is around when the high pitched squeal, there we go. Sort of gave you a warning. I think if you don't mess about it too much, you get some nice ambient sounds. Ooh. I was playing about it yesterday, and I asked Mrs. Android what she thought. She said it sounds like a UFO, which I'm going to take as a bit of a compliment. yeah, very happy with this. You can turn that off. You get still good. It's because you can build this without these. It just takes off 2 of the knobs. I can't remember which ones control it. You turn them both right off. Flip between them. There's a bit of difference, but very subtle. Whoop. There's another one. You know what, I think I quite like that crackle. So anyway, that's what I've been working on mainly. These have been the big projects. Well, this has been a big project, that was an afterthought. With sound generator, schematic, strip board layout in the description. Little filter box, you can find them everywhere. Schematics for them, not a problem. And now, I thought we'd have a little look at this. It's a little something just sort of cobbled together. It's nothing too exciting. But it's the first proper sort of, you know, little unit I've made. It makes some funky noises. There, it's basically an Atari Punk console. Doesn't sound very much like one to my ear. You can see I tried to do a bit of a design on the front, but I'm still working on this. But it's a bit of fun. So fire this one up. Now this, if I remember rightly, is quite loud, so we'll turn that down. It does have that Atari sort of vibe to it, doesn't it? I think I've wired this the wrong way around. But I think I've wired them both the wrong way around. I mean, they're just fun, aren't they? And with this one you can see the appalling job I've done on the inside as well. Look at that, isn't that terrible? So yeah, that's pretty much what I've been up to. Just messing about with stuff like this. Getting a nice little collection here. I'm very happy with it. The plan next, I've been thinking about this, is to take the filter from here, build another one of them, but control it with an LFO and a Vactral, and get a nice, because this is a really, it's almost like a wah pedal, but really get a nice sort of pulsing sort of feeling with that. That's the next thing to work on. But aside from that, I've been doing some kits and just, yeah, life. So thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you're not already, it's a big help. I've got about the same number of subscribers as videos now, which is good for me. I'm hoping to get to 50 subscribers and then I can do a live stream with my phone rather than having to use the webcam, because the webcam on the computer is shite. Do a live stream build or something like that. So yeah, I've got a Discord now as well, Music for Android's Discord. Come on back, still very small at the minute, but you know, it's a bit of fun. We can talk about all this sort of nonsense that we're into, and yeah, right. Thank you for watching. I'll try and get something else up sooner rather than this long, and then yeah, take care. Thank you.